Hey ProPresenter family, it's a new year and we have a brand new ProPresenter release just for you. Welcome everyone, I'm Jeremy Grono, Director of Software Operations here at Renewed Vision, and today we get to share some of the great updates we're making available in our latest release, 7.12. But first, I want to welcome all of you. We've seen thousands of organizations join the Pro 7 family, either by upgrade or installing ProPresenter for the very first time. Today, we're excited to show you more of what you can do with your new license. One of the things you'll love about using Pro 7 is how we're constantly releasing updates and adding new features that can make a meaningful difference in your own productions. These release events are a great opportunity to be able to share with you what we've been working on. Our team spends countless hours on every release making sure that not only are they packed with features, but that they are well tested and stable for use in your own live events. From support to development, our team has been reviewing your feedback every day to make sure that we are releasing value and stability to you, our users. I'm going to kick things over to Amanda from the product development team to tell us a little bit more about the new features and improvements you'll see in 7.12.
Hey everyone, I'm Amanda Kongvold, and like Jeremy said, our team is always reviewing your feedback and feature requests so we can deliver a stable, reliable update that is filled with functionality that you'll love. Today I'm excited to show off some of those new improvements that are being introduced in 7.12. Let's get started. The first thing I'm excited to show you is our enhanced Song Select by CCLI experience. We have completely rebuilt the Song Select integration within ProPresenter from the ground up. With that comes a new feature, CCLI Auto Reporting with Song Select. So as you can see here, once I log into Song Select from the service's preferences, I am prompted to opt into auto reporting. I'm going to go ahead and opt in. Now, any song that has a CCLI number associated with it will automatically report the usage to CCLI. This process works seamlessly. As you can see here, I trigger a song with a CCLI number and it's automatically reported. If I want to guarantee that my usage was reported, I can go to General Preferences and select Reporting. Then you'll see here that my usage was indeed reported to CCLI, signified by this green dot. Song Select by CCLI Auto Reporting will give users peace of mind that they're properly reporting their song usages in real time without the hassle of manually exporting and sending reports each week. The next feature I'm thrilled to introduce to you all today is Advanced Text Fills. The amount of creative potential that comes with this feature is truly exciting, but let's take a look at these new options for displaying your text. These new advanced text fills include text cutout, background invert, background blur, as well as the long requested media text fill. Let's walk through a couple examples of where these advanced text fills can take your show from good to great. In this first example, I have a presentation ready to go, but there's something about this title that is a bit lacking. When I come into the editor, I'm just going to select this text object and in the text tab, change the text fill to text cutout. Now, when I come back to show view and trigger the slide, you can see how the background media is visible through the text and the shape, significantly raising the quality of this title. Here's another example of a song I have ready for worship that I want to add a little more liveliness to. So I'm going to open up the theme I'm using in the editor. I select the text object and change the text fill to media fill. I already have this media file picked out, so I select it and immediately get a preview in the editor. Now I go back to show view and apply the theme to my song. As you can see, the media is playing within the confines of the text and does not re-trigger from slide to slide. This ensures your creative vision for your text look is maintained without interruption throughout the song. The last enhancements we have made are to our Stream Deck plugin. Now you have the ability to set a configuration when starting or stopping a timer, set layouts on stage screens, as well as a new timer increment action for adding or removing time from running timers, as well as a new audio action, enabling users to trigger audio playlists and items. We're very excited to introduce these new features to you all with 7.12. We've also made numerous bug fixes and refinements based on the invaluable feedback you provide. We hope you enjoy using these new tools and are excited to see what new presentations and looks you're able to create.
Thanks, Amanda. I can't wait to see the unique ways you guys use these features in your own presentation. If you're not already an official ProPresenter user group member on Facebook, make sure you join in. It's filled with tens of thousands of users just like you sharing their own ProPresenter journey. 7.12 is available now as a public beta for all ProPresenter Plus members to get their hands on and test these new features in their own environments. If you're not already a beta user, I want to encourage you to join in. It couldn't be easier. In ProPresenter, simply go to Settings, then click Updates. And in the Update Channel section, select Beta, then install your new 7.12 beta update. We greatly value your feedback and input, and having users like you test these new beta releases is one of the best ways that we can make sure we're always meeting your needs in the best way possible. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the latest update, and we can't wait to see how these new features of ProPresenter help you share the stories that change the lives of the people around you.